Anyways, wait, I gotta make this screen bigger, sorry. Anyways, today we are gonna be reading my messages. Whatever, I don't know. So, let's see, this is the nicest message to this girl, so let me just say, oh god, it's frozen. Okay, I'm stupid. I'm just gonna enter this. So, my thing, what I said is, oh god, can I just, okay, thanks, can I have a giveaway for this? Okay, but yeah, hi, but okay, I am, trust me, I've given you this, my close to trade, can I have a here, sure, thanks. What? Oof, I won't send. Oh, okay. And did you get it? Yeah, you got it? Okay. I'm back. And let's just go check maybe actually. Oh, hey, how is you? I'm good. What about you? Good. I just heard that today. Hey, hi. Okay, so, okay. Can this thing go? Ah. Okay, hey, hi, what are you doing? Nothing new? I'm bored. OMG, same. XD, I was laughing so hard at that face. I'm gonna prank people. Hi, hey, hi. You got hacked. Hi, hey, hi. You got hacked. How did it happen? Didn't reply. And this is, my cousin's account. She acts like a boy with a, oh god, I sent myself this. And this is what she said. I have given you a gift. Oh god, I sent you that to myself. You're my, okay. Hi, how are you? Totally curled, well, thank you, no problem. Okay, so I got, OMG, hi, can we be friends? Eek, I love over yours. Hello, please accept. Hello. Okay, let's see what I was talking about to this one. Hi, I'm new. Oof, lol, what are you doing? Hey, hi, hey, hello. Oh, I was talking, okay, so let me talk to this girl. I remember I was talking to this girl. Okay, I like your hair things. Do you know what thing this is? Diamond red. I think that's just my nice thing. How I got my friends. Got up in friends. Yeah, but what is pets? Pets are boonies and stuff. Don't want to get me point. You have to have star coins to buy a pet. Can you help me? Blah blah. I thought I was hacked, but I'm not gonna. When did she give me a gift? Okay. And let's go down. I've given you a gift, I've given you the blah 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 blah. Okay, let's see what this girl is saying. I don't know this dude. Hi, why did you have XD? Meh. Okay, I'm bored and there's nothing to do. You can make my happy. True. Okay. Why did you friend me? Hey, if you just want to trade, let me know. Okay, this is what this dude said. So why did you friend me? Oh, okay then, wait. How do I look hot? That was the question of the year. This is the one I was waiting to see. Why did you friend me? Because you look hot. Oh, okay then, wait. How am I hot? What happened? Okay, so, hey, if you want to trade, let me know and we'll trade. Merry Christmas. Oh my god. She hasn't been on since, oh my god. Oh god, you can't see my username, I guess. And that is all. Let's go look at my look. Okay, so let me see if you can see me. Anyways, guys, if you want me to get a new look with any of these outfits, any shirt, any of these pants, these shoes, these accessories, and any of these dark hairs, because I don't really like light hairs except the brown and maybe this one, but any of the dark hairs. So any of the dark hairs will be the only one I wear. Let's go see my looks. Okay, I have to make a look. Let's go see my look. Okay, I can't see them. Good Lord. Oh, okay, let's just go to Movie Town. Okay, let's go to the looks. Okay, oh God, no, my username, it's called I'm a Rockstar. This one's called and then this one's good. I didn't know. So gotta pause this because of my brother. Okay, back. Oh my God, they won't stop talking. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm just gonna look at my profile. Let's just go to my profile. The noise. Okay, let's just go look over here. Oh, okay, I don't have new designs. I guess I don't, but I do. Oh God. Excuse me. Let's go to my designs, buddy. Why can you not buy these? Dude, I'm not even in it. Okay, falling away. Okay, I won't wear a shirt. Great. Oh, there. Okay, buddy. Okay, whatever you say. Now let's go to mine. I've only made tops and dresses so far. And then a ghost one. Then a puppy. And a VIP one. I'm pretty sure this one was like the best I ever made. Good stuff. And anyways, let's make a dress, I guess. Or I can make some pants, because I haven't made any pants yet. Nah. Yeah. Okay, I like this. They don't have any good designs. Nope. How do I get those? Cappuccino. Heart. There. Anyways, okay, I guess I should just buy something for my wish list for myself, I guess. I'd buy all this if I had the money, but look at me. It's so poor. I am so poor. And oh God, no, not Messenger. Okay, so cough. I don't watch Timon. It's just on my thingy for some reason. Oh God. Anyways, let's just let me just bye, guys. Night, wolves. I love you all. XD. Wolves are the best. Enjoy these wolf pics. I don't own these pics, by the way. La-da-dum, wa-da-dee, la-da-doo, la-da-dum. Bye, guys. Love you all. Bye.